Being in ketosis, combined with a healthy calorie deficit diet, is one of the healthiest and effective methods for losing weight and increasing energy. Hi, I'm Anne of For Health and Long Life. I am the developer for the For Health and Long Life recipes, using the principles of ketosis or keto as it is commonly referred to. And to kickstart your keto lifestyle, I have set out this 7-day keto diet plan that is designed to help you lose weight and feel the benefits of being in ketosis and let you get a feel for eating keto. So if you have been struggling with increasing weight and a steady decrease in your energy levels, this is the diet you have been searching for. Not only are you going to lose weight if you stick to this plan, but these delicious meals are going to convince you that eating keto doesn't mean sacrificing good food. Plus, you'll know exactly what you are putting into your body. No additives, preservatives, and other harmful ingredients. And you will not only be losing weight, you will be astonished by just how much better you will feel. Because if followed, it will cause weight loss and an overall increase in energy. So what is the keto diet? How will it make me lose weight? How will it make me feel more energized? You will find out the answers to these questions and more in this publication. What is the keto diet? The link below gives you access to the publication. What is the keto diet? This publication contains links to keto recipes and a list of foods you can eat on a keto diet. Use the link below and you can download this publication. It contains information about the keto diet, links to great keto recipes, lists the food you can eat on a keto diet, and so much more. So, the burning question? Will the keto diet work? For me, well, to quote an old saying, the proof of the pudding is in the eating. So why not try this free 7-day Kickstart Keto Diet Plan and see for yourself? But no cheating, you need to let it do its stuff. If you want to see just how good a keto lifestyle is, don't forget to try this. Free 7-day Kickstart Keto Diet Plan. The link below gives you access to the publication. What is the keto diet? This publication contains links to keto recipes and a list of foods you can eat on a keto diet. For health and long life. What is the keto diet? Just click on that. If you're watching this video on the For Health and Long Life website, try clicking on the book image below.